We're waiting for Senator Lee to come down. Senate Bill 904, abuse of a parent.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Senators, this bill is a little bit more complicated. It would allow for tracking and methods to address the abuse of a parent. Over the last 20 years, we have given great attention to domestic violence and how to track that, how to provide services, counseling, safe houses, etc. But as a form of domestic violence, we have not given attention to the abuse of a parent by a child. And that is what this bill does. It would allow us to track the prevalence of this kind of problem. It would give both the parent and the child some resources so that they could get some help. And that is the bill.
So we have thank you. We have a late filed amendment. Seeing no objection, the amendment is introduced. That's what you just explained. Barcode 451752, correct?
Yes, simply defines
parent
and child.
Okay, are there any questions about this bill? Public testimony. Alice Flowers from Winter Garden. Welcome.
Good morning. My name is Alice Flowers. I am the sister of the late Rosemary Pate. I am here to support Senate Bill 904, which would recognize parent abuse as a category under domestic violence crimes. Rosemary was a 30-year veteran employee for Lockheed Martin in Orlando, Florida. She was a senior contracts manager. She was well respected in the workplace and in the community. She gave back through volunteer programs such as Read to Succeed, the local food bank, Junior Achievement, and the American Diabetes Association Tour de Cure. On July 15, 2013, my sister was stabbed and strangled to death by her 19-year-old son after suffering years of abuse by him. I ask that you please support Senate Bill 904. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Dennis Strange.
The Orange County Sheriff's Office, on behalf of Sheriff Jerry Deming, supported the bill. Waved in support of the bill.
I have a question to you. Come on up. Have you seen or witnessed youth abusing their parents?
Yes, we have.
Could you describe some of the incidents you've witnessed?
Well,
This is like unusual. It's reverse, but I know this happens because
And-
I've received calls from constituents about this.
and I wish I could speak. I've been in narcotics for 6 or 7 years now, so I haven't been directly involved in it, but I know that we do have incidences, and again, we support the bills.
Thank you. Okay, now we have Homer Hardage from Parent Abuse Action Coalition, Orange County Commissioner, former Orange County Commissioner. Sort of a different twist.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you, Senators. My name's Homer Hardage. I'm a former Orange County Commissioner, Orlando, Florida. I'm also the chair of a new organization in Orlando called the Parent Abuse Action Coalition. We started in response to the death of Rosemary Pate, and after much study, we found out that this was not only a problem in Florida, but a problem nationally and if not internationally. I will share with you that this bill has gotten national and international attention. We received a lot of assistance from former Superior Court judge in California who set up the first program in the country to deal with parent abuse. It's gotten the attention of Amanda Holtz in the UK, who has written the most credible research on parent abuse, and also in Europe from a group called Holes in the Wall that's blogging this daily. I do want to mention, though, in terms of what is happening, just a few weeks ago I attended the funeral of one of our fallen officers. The young man that killed this officer was also accused just a year ago of holding his mother at bay with an axe. You had asked if there were other cases like this throughout the state. We have a list of press conferences and stories of family of slain Port St. Lucie couple trying to understand why they were killed. 15-year-old Cape Coral's boy accused of stabbing mom to death. Teen leads police to handgun used in murder of parents. So these cases go on and on. We just want to say that we are in support of this. The main purpose of the bill is to add a new category to the codes, which expands it from what currently exists. Right now, we have codes we have codes for child abuse, elder abuse, and interpersonal partner abuse. Interpersonal partner abuse was the last thing added, so we just want to add parent abuse as a category under domestic violence.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions? I really appreciate your telling us about some of the cases because, as I said, that I had heard from constituents, and I just told them to call the police. I mean,
Yes.
That's the only thing we have available as a tool now.
Madam Chair, if I could add, one of the problems that we have with the current code is that there's no outlet for parents or the child. We would like to save the children and save the parents. If a person calls the law, we know what to do with abuse. The code is pretty clear with that. But for parents that are legally responsible for minor children, the law has different requirements for the parent. So this would fix that problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Seeing no other public comments, would you like to close on your bill, Senator Thompson? And we're going to adopt your amendment. All those in favor say aye. Nay, your amendment is adopted.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Senators, the kind of abuse that this bill is intended to address would include physical abuse such as punching, kicking, emotional abuse such as threats, attempts to humiliate and undermine, economic abuse, which would be theft, damage to property, and the like. And this bill did come forward because of Ms. Pate, who lived in my district, who had a restraining order against her minor child. And we're talking about children under the age of 18. And this had occurred over a 10-year period of time. She finally installed a metal door to her bedroom, additional locks, but that did not deter him. And as her sister testified here this morning, he did fatally stab her and strangle her. There were no resources available to Ms. Pate. Where could she go? No resources available for her son. And so this bill addresses those issues, and I ask for your favorable support this morning.
Okay, now we're back on the bill. Are there any questions about the bill? Is there public testimony on the bill, basically, the amendment? Is there any debate? Okay, please, Senator Hayes moves the bill as a committee substitute. Please call the roll on Senate Bill 904.
Senator Altman?
Yes.
Senator Brannan?
Yes.
Senator Clemens? Senator Dean?
Yes.
Senator Dietert? Senator Diaz de la Portilla?
Yes.
Senator Grimsley? Senator Thompson?
Yes.
Senator Hayes? Madam Chair.
Yes, and show your bill passing. Congratulations. We're going to go